Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up payments on Gumroad. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead over to our dashboard and then go to the very bottom. You'll have here your profile. Just click on it and click on settings. After once done, you would need to fill out everything right here, especially payments. So go ahead and click on payments. Now go ahead and figure out when you want it to be paid. And then go ahead and scroll all the way down, connect either your bank account or PayPal right here. Now, before you can use PayPal or connect your PayPal account, your account must be marked as compliant. You must have earned at least $100 and you must have received at least one successful payout. All right. So if this is not available for you yet, well, you can go ahead and connect your banking right here. So bank account, enter your name right here or full legal name that exactly match the name on your bank account. If you are from the United States, I think Stripe is available as well. And you won't be able to see it in my account because I'm from the Philippines. Just go ahead and fill in the required fields such as your PIC, account number, confirm your account number right here. Select the account type. If you don't know which account type, well, just click on this hyperlink and it will teach you what to choose. All right. Now, once that's done, again, enter your first name and last name, the address, city, country, phone number, and your date of birth. Once that's done, do not forget to scroll all the way up and click on Update Settings. Now, in some cases, when you click on Update Settings, you'll be notified to verify your identity. Okay, if it asks you to verify your identity, well, just go ahead and upload a valid government-issued ID if requested by Gumroad. And sometimes you'll need to fill tax forms, like completing the digital W8 or W9 form directly within the settings page right here. You'll be able to see it, okay? Or you'll receive a notification that something needs to be updated or it needs to be done. And after that, just wait for Gumroad to approve your details, and it will usually take about 1 to 3 business days. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to set up payments on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.